Hey ladies, how you doing? So I wanted to come and talk about my natural hair. What is going on? What is going on? I've been getting so many questions. Ladies that want to cut their hair, they want to know what's my experience. How I really don't talk about it. Like, how am I doing with it? You know, what's the deal? And to be honest, I'm about 8 months. My hair's been cut close like this about 8 months. This August, hold on, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May. I am 9 months. I said 8 months. So I'm 9 months. We're not in May. We're in April. You see? So I'm 8 months in with my hair being cut really close as a brush cut. Do I have any regrets? No. I don't think I'm going to ever grow my hair back. If I grow my hair back, it is must gonna be something really strange going on. I am so comfortable with my hair like this. I was looking at some old pictures, like even on my Instagram, even on my channel, my hair was so much longer, my natural hair, and then with me wearing extensions and things, it just gave me a whole nother look. But do I regret cutting my hair? No, I don't. I wish I would have cut it sooner. I wish I would have definitely ventured out and did some more shorter hairstyles before I even like grew my hair out. When I big chopped the first time, then I big chopped the second time, and did it again. I wish I would have ventured out with some more shorter hairstyles. What made me cut my hair this time around? I think I did a video, but I really fried my hair when I cut it this last time. I had like a taper cut going on. I had put that blonde in. I had bleached my hair 3 times in 2 times together, and I think 2 days later I did it again, and my hair was so fried that it just wasn't looking good. So I just said, you know what, cut it off. So he wound up cutting it off, not this close. I need a haircut. Not this close, but he still cut it really low, and I was like, you know what, let's just go lower. Fade me out. I want to grow some waves, and I got a few up here. My hair is too long for you to actually see them because I had a whole bunch more. But I like it. I love it. I think it's sexy. I think it you can see more. You can see my face. I don't have anything in my way. You just have me. But no, I do not regret cutting my hair at all. I don't. I'm happy I did. I will get into things I wish I would have known before I've cut my hair. Now, even when my hair was natural, my hair was still natural. When I had my hair much longer, I was wearing wigs. So I didn't know anything about the whole thing. I was just washing my hair. I would braid it up and I would put my wig on. Or if I went to the salon, that was something different. But you have to, one thing about this, you have to get haircuts often, because like right now, you can tell I need to get cleaned up here, cleaned up around the edges and things like that. So you have to get your hair cut because you don't want to look crazy. And me, I like to get my hair cut every 2 weeks. I've been on a 3-week span. Well, I'm not on any span right now because we're not getting our hair cut due to the coronavirus. But prior to, I was on a 2-week schedule, week and a half. And if I was going somewhere or if I was doing something and I needed my hair to look good, then it would be in a week. I would want my hair to be crisp at all times. I didn't want no flyaways. I didn't want anything. Another thing I wish I would have known, my hair itches a lot. I guess because it's growing. I guess I cut it so much so it's growing. So I itch a lot up in here. So if I knew it was an itching situation going on like this, I would prepare myself a little bit better, but I'm used to it now. But sometimes it can definitely get the best of you. And it's one more thing that I wish I would have known before I chopped my hair was you can't do the same. You can do the same things that you do when your hair is, longer or something like that. But for me, my hair is cut so close. I can't do the things that I used to do. I used to wash my hair, say, once a week. Maybe, once a week I wash, but maybe once a week and a half, something like that. Now, I wish somebody would have told me, you can't be just washing your hair, because my hair, I find myself, my hair's it's not dry right now, but your hair will get really dry. I will wash my hair every time I got in the shower. So you taking a shower every day, sometimes twice a day, depending on what's going on. You know, you washing your hair, you drying your scalp out, and that brings itch too. So I had to really, really be mindful and say, Kelly, you cannot wash your hair every day. Put your do-rag on, brush your hair a little bit, and call it. And I don't brush my hair. I do not brush my hair. I do not have brushing sessions. I don't do any of that. That is just too much for your girl. I don't do it. Some people will sit back and wet their hair up. In the shower, I may put some shampoo when I'm shampooing my hair, and I have maybe a quick little brush session. But trust me, it ain't you. I'm not doing 55, 100 strokes. It'd be like maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom, boom, boom. Rinse out. I get out, put my little creams in, do rag on, call it a day. I'm not doing it. I'm not looking for ripples all the way down and all the way around. I'm not looking for that. I like the look of me just having a short cut, and it's tapered and it's close and it's neat. That's what I like. If I have a couple of ripples up top, I'm cool with that. But those are things that I wish I would have known before cutting my hair. It wouldn't have changed anything, but just the little key things, you know, those things. But I'm sure as time goes on, I'm gonna figure out some more stuff. But no, I don't regret cutting my hair. I wish I would have cut it sooner. I'm probably not gonna grow my hair back because I like the way it looks, and I like that it's quick. I get up in the morning, snatch a rag off my head, and I brush it if I want to, and then I put makeup on if I want to. If I don't want to, sometimes I don't even put any earrings on, and I'll just go. It's just effortless. I just love it. Or I put a cap on my head. It's just I don't have to worry about the hair piece. Before it was pulling out twists if I had my natural hair out, putting it in a puff, or it was all about getting my wig right, put my curls in. If is my part straight? Do I got on a wig that got the glue lace front, or if I got a wig that's a cat wig? You know, I was just tired of it. So now I'm at a point now. Hair is not an issue for me. None. And it helps you get dressed quicker in the morning, but that's one less thing you have to worry about. And you'd be surprised how long we take on our hair. You would think like makeup and getting dressed would take longer, but no, it'd be that hair. It'd be that hair. But no, ladies, I don't regret cutting my hair, and I'm happy I did it, and I'm happy that I'm able to wear it and it fits me, because I'll be in a pickle if it didn't. I would just get a wig and put it back on. But yeah, that's it. I wanted to share that with you guys because some of you guys asked me, do I regret cutting my hair? No, I don't. I'm happy. I'm really, really happy with my short haircut. And I like going to the barbershop, and I like getting my hair cut, getting my hair done pretty much in 20 minutes. So you think about it. Now I'm going on somewhere else. Think about it. You go to the salon, you get your hair done. Even if you're getting your wig maintenance, you take it there, let them do it. If you have a sew-in, either way, if you're getting your hair done, you getting your sew-in done again, or you getting your wig tightened up, or whatever you're getting it put on, sometimes that can take an hour and a half, sometimes 2 hours. I don't go through that. I am in and out. I go to the barbershop at my appointed time. I sit in the chair at my appointed time. I get my hair cut, and I get up within 20, 30 minutes. And I'm out of there. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. And I get to hear barbershop talk. So that's something good too. That's different. You'd be surprised what you hear in a barbershop and how men run their mouth just like women do. But that's another day, another story. But that's the end of this one, ladies. My natural hair. I may come back later on and share some other things about, you know, my brush cut. If you guys want to see me actually, I don't know if that's even interesting. I took you guys to the barber shop, but I didn't let you see the barber actually cutting my hair. The day that I did go, it was so many people in the barber shop. I felt uncomfortable. I didn't want them looking at me like, God, why she got a camera up? It was so many people. I went on a Friday. Normally I go like on Tuesday or Wednesday when it's kind of really light in there. But yeah, maybe I'll do it. If you want to see that, let me know. If you want me to bring you along to the barber shop and actually see, you know, how he cuts my hair, and, you know, all the junk them dudes be talking, and what else. I think that's about it. And then I can show you, like, maybe I do like a get ready, but you can see how I actually just really don't do my hair in the morning. That would be really something to see. Like, you know, a lot of them want to know how easy it is, and they want to know, you know, if if I regret it, and I don't. But you know what? I can only share my story. I can't put my story on you and my feelings on you, how I like my hair cut short. You have to actually, go on a limb and do it if that's something that you really want to do. It has to be your decision. And once you do it, then you can go from there. Because I cut my hair since my 30s, I want to say about 4 or 5 times. Probably more than that. But don't even want to talk about when I was in my 20s and my teens. Cutting my hair was nothing, because I had this thing in my mind, which it still goes on to this day. It grows back. So I never was afraid. And I know some women may struggle with growing their hair back, but just care for your hair, care for your insides, and everything will produce. So that's it, ladies. So I want to say hey to all my new subscribers, hey to all my loyals. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.